Uterine Trace is a game-changing tool to help easily acquire the coronal view of the uterus. I'm going to show you some of my favorite tricks to make it even easier. The first step is always to optimize your 2D image. If you don't have adequate visualization and penetration of the uterus in 2D, you will not end up with a suitable 3D. Adjust the frequency for optimal visualization of the uterus. Higher frequencies provide higher detail, while lower frequencies will provide more penetration. For example, high pen will give you the lowest frequency available while still benefiting from the noise reduction of harmonics. Don't be afraid to change presets if necessary if more penetration is needed. Another tool that can be used with high pen or independently is shadow reduction, which can offset edge shadowing sometimes seen with uterine fibroids or other uterine pathologies. Don't forget to adjust your TGCs and overall gain. Or you can use your auto button, which uses an algorithm to automatically fine-tune the overall brightness and contrast. It's important to properly align the probe at the midline to avoid cutting off part of the uterus during the 3D acquisition. Begin the trace from just outside the uterine fundus and follow it through to the cervix. This will give you confidence that you aren't missing any important information pertaining to the contour of the uterus. If your line placement was not optimal, you can easily retrace your line. First, select X-Touch, then the left trackball key to select New, and simply retrace on the touchscreen from the acquired image. Also, don't forget, wherever you start your line will be displayed at the top of your coronal image. The system will automatically show you the coronal view of the uterus with VCI, which can be adjusted to your preference. Having a thinner slice will increase your contrast resolution, while increasing the slice thickness will enhance the visualization of larger anatomical structures. I'm Carolina, Application Specialist for GE Healthcare, and I hope you've seen how easily Uterine Trace integrates with 3D imaging into your GYN scans. Experience the difference it can make in your workflow and give it a try today.